right now.
Swear to God, let me see. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So, for today's video, obviously you could tell it's dark outside. You know, you'll probably think it's like 7 p.m., 8 p.m., I don't know, something like normal. It is currently 2:23 in the morning. There's an Evo. Focus, what the camera? Hello? There's an Evo. There's a Z. My homie Sambu, the owner of this Evo, is gonna drive Eric's car for the first time, it looks like. Don't stall there, buddy. But yeah, this is the things we do at 3 in the morning. Don't stall there, buddy. Chill. Yeah, I'm like 100% sure my neighbors like hate my guts because, like I said, it's 2:24 in the morning and these dudes are doing this shit.
Oh, there we go.
We are currently 243 meters above the floor. You guys see that little red dot? Down right there? Oh, yeah, that's the drone. It has to come down or what? What does it say?
Yeah,
altitude on
it's coming down already. Returning to home and safe.
And now Eric's gonna drive the Evo. Huh? Cool. They have a mess.
Go on this side better.
Oh shit, I see the condoms. Holy 5-star. Is it a cold start? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Rest in peace, my neighbors. Sorry, guys.
Where's it at?
Probably to the right now. But make sure it's like, it's in.
That's what she said.
Well, I'm not used to this fucking car.
This fool has been revving. He probably legit wasted a fucking quarter tank of 85.
Don't worry about the noise, sticky tires.
Right now, floor.
Okay, Florida.
Holy shit! Alright, hold on. Hold on. What the fuck? Alright, hold on.
It sounds beautiful, man.
Holy shit.
Sambu must be nicer.
I need an Evo.
Me too.
Oh.
Sign me up. Mood. Oh shit! Ah! Holy shit! My stomach! Ah! Oh, chill, bro! Alright, now pull over. It's my turn. Okay, I was just joking about driving it, but. This clutch, the grab is super high. Holy shit!
Oh, you haven't drove it on.
I haven't driven it.
Bro, rev matching in this car is freaking hard.
Bro, what the fuck? I haven't. Alright, guys, so fun fact, I drove this car when it was stock. I don't think I've ever driven it since. So it feels pretty weird because it's super fast. Holy shit, bro! I don't even give it that much gas.
Nope.
It's because the clutch, the grab is like the highest spot. I'm just making it, bro. I'm scared to miss. That shit feels fast as fuck though. Yeah, I'm not gonna bang no gears though.
wasted like a freaking half tank of gas.
Switch spots with the driver. He can actually bang gears. I don't want to bang the gears in this car because it is pretty scary. Right. Wait, don't do it by my house, Dick.
Not now. Go ahead.
That first gear was trash.
Alright guys, it is now the next day. I'm going out to Eric. Already got one more person, my boy Sambo, the guy that was with us last night. I'm ready to take off. The only problem is I cannot find my keys. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Alright guys, found the keys. Now let's wait for this to warm up and let's go ahead and take off. Alright guys, so we just took off and I was FaceTiming Sambo to meet us at a gas station because I need to pump gas. And guess who's behind us? Sambo. He literally found us on the way, I guess. So the gang's all here. Reunited. Alright guys, and we are off. So I was at the gas station, bro, and I went inside for a Powerade and another one of these. It's like these are my good luck, dude. So I walked in, right, and one of you guys, bro, if you're watching this, bro, what's up, dude? One of you guys came up to me and recognized me, bro, at the same gas station as yesterday or 2 days ago. Once again, I have this stupid smile on my face. Like, it's crazy, dude. Like, more and more people are starting to recognize me around my area. Like, it's like the best feeling. I don't know. Shout out to you, bro. Okay, guys, right now we're gonna go meet up with another one of my friends. We're gonna go eat real quick, and then we're gonna head to the meet, the one that I was talking to you guys about in the last video. Now, what are you doing, sir? Alright guys, we made it to the spot. The cars are back there, low-key all by themselves in the middle of nowhere. We came to a chicken spot, I guess. One of my friends told me about it. And yeah, let's go link with her and eat. There's her car right here. Some of you guys might know her, Minerva. Sick ass fool. All over you, Francisco. Alright guys, that was a fail. That was an hour wait. It's your fault, bruh.
You have to come out on Wednesday.
Bruh. The homeboy said an hour wait. We got a meet to be in at fucking 7 minutes. It's not gonna work out.
No, te metes con mi cuco. Hey, neta, ando bien horneado.
Oh, you're recording? Alright guys, so we ended up with TV. We're gonna get something to eat, but instead we're just gonna go to the meet and see if there's something to eat right there. But meanwhile, enjoy these rollers. So for once in my life, I get to a meet on time or kind of early. So there's actually parking. All right, guys, we made it to the meet. Shout out to you guys, bro. You guys are probably not, you guys aren't looking at me, but they're subscribers just after pictures. Hell yeah. But yeah, we actually got here kind of early for once. Chris, is that you? GT Chris, spotted. Is that a Supra? Is that a fucking Supra? Sick ass fool, bro. It must be nice. So, oh, it is right-hand drive. Sir, what do you do for a living? What the fuck? Fucking Banda and Gustavo pulled up. What the fuck, bro? All over you, Rem. It has a Tomei too.
Oh, sick ass fool.
Oh, look at this big baller right here. Sheesh, must be nicer. Sir, what do you do for work? Whatever you do, hire me. Damn, bro. That's just hard too. Look at that. Okay, I don't know about all that, sir. But all right, guys. So the guy is saying pretty much to be careful not to burn out. And look who pulls up. Well, Yeah. Look at me. Alright, see you, Beamer boys. Oh, sick ass fool. Sick ass fool. Let me find out your sponsor, dog. Cam boys. Must be nice. That's stupid all over you, dog. Well, why'd you make your face like that? Jimmy! Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy! Jeez, bro, this fucking Subi is clean. One of the cleanest one I've seen. Literally wet. Ram, all over you, Ram! Oh, it's a WRX too, bro. All over you, bro. Damn, that shit is wet. Anyway, I just noticed. Ketchup and mustard. Alright, guys, enough standing by the car. Let's go walk around and see who's here and what's here. We got the Sentra on the Cosmes. I see you, bro. That shit is clean. Okay, okay, sedan boys. Got the G over here. The Q. Lexus. Mazda. Sick ass fool. Let me find out that shit's fast. Oh, got the Q line up right here. Clean. Say what's up, bro. You're on my vlog. Got a red Z over here. Sick ass fool. With that young GTR bumper. Oh shit, Sambu, is that you? Oh, are those TEs though? Yes, they are all over you, bro. Your twin, bro. Instead of white wheels, it's fucking gray. Clean, bro. Clean, clean. We got the blue one over here. Sick. That car looks familiar. So is that one? Ugh, what is that car? That camber though. Oh, I'm fucking with this color, bro. Clean. Jeez. Got the Z's over here. Okay. If you guys know me, chances are you guys know him. Must be nice. Those TEs fucking. Okay, bro. I see you. That shit is wet. Something different. I like that color. I fuck with it, bro. Must be nice. Sheesh. Something light. Little fucking toe. What the fuck? He said, I'm gonna put Lambo doors on the Mustang. Hi. She left. Now there's a parking right here. Who wants to come park next to me? And look, Eric's bringing out the drone. That'd be nice. You see how it looks? That looks dope, bro. Is that how we're doing it now? No, mommy. Hey, bro, what's up with that car right there? More. Right there's cool. A little more, if you can. A little more. More. There you go. Now you can see my car. Hey, is that a Supra? Is that a BMW? Guys, look, there's still people putting up. What the fuck? This shit is packed. Hey, that truck is hella clean at Nardo. I fucks with it, bro. The fucking lights are going with the beat, bro. Eric just left. Bye, Eric. Alright, guys. So Eric left me his ticket and they're about to do the raffle. If I win something, should I tell him or should I keep it? What the fuck? We're gonna end up leaving. Which just sucks because we have to go out that way. So let's see how it goes. Bro, that shit is so crazy. We pulled over for one of our other homies and we ran into him again. Alright, Eric just sent me a text and he got pulled over, but I don't really believe him. Let's FaceTime him really quick. Oh, shit's connected to the car. Ignore my ugly face. Hey, what's up? You got pulled over?
Yeah, I'm pulled over right now.
Swear to God, let me see.
Swear.
Let me see. Let me see the the rear mirror or whatever. I see that spotlight on you. Yup, he got pulled over, guys. No. For what?
I'll tell you that later, but it's going 140.
Huh?
Going 140.
Are you serious? You're the highway patrol?
I think he's a regular police. I don't think he's a CHP.
What did he tell you? Why did he tell you?
It was like, you know, you could get your car impounded for 30 days, this and that. Oh yeah, you're putting other people in danger and my passenger in danger.
You have a passenger with you or what?
My cousin, yeah. I'll call you right now.
Alright, I guess. I was gonna say be careful, but fuck it. So you would expect this like Supra, you know, to have like a nice honk. Look, Guys, we made it in now. We ran into 2 Z's. Sick ass fools. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm kind of hangry, to be honest. Guys, so Eric just posted. Focus, stupid camera. Car's gone for 30 days, guys. Let's FaceTime him real quick. Whoa.
Leaving.
Oh, he's not answering me. That's how you know he's sad, bro. I'm gonna tell her one more time.
Then why the fuck did he slow?
Yeah, he's not in the mood to talk.
Still there?
Free Eric's car.
I didn't know that was coin.
Food porn. Some light. Alright guys, so pretty much what ended up happening was after we ate, Eric FaceTimed me. He was like, "If we talk or whatever," and I was like, "Yeah, it was good." He pretty much explained like what happened to him when he got pulled over. The point is, he got impounded. His car is gone for 30 days. He got he got a few tickets, and yeah, he just, let's put it this way, he was at the wrong place at the wrong time, and his car is gone for 30 days. His hope, he is currently talking to like some attorney for your ticket. Hopefully he helps him out and gets his car out sooner so he can keep making videos for us. Hopefully he helps. So currently he is talking to like this attorney. I think his name is, he's currently talking to some attorneys, I think, so pretty much to like help him take out the car sooner. So hopefully everything goes good and he has it out before 30 days. So hopefully everything goes good and he has it out even before the 30 days. But yeah guys, this is going to conclude today's video. Oh wait, before I go, so my parts plug hit me up yesterday saying that my part is in, so I need to go pick it up. I was going to go pick it up right now, but he's not replying to me, so I'm assuming I'm going to go tomorrow. But yeah, part 2 out of 3 is bought. I'm just waiting on the last one. And yeah, so stay tuned on the next video so you guys can see what it is. But yeah guys, this is going to conclude today's video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, turn on my bell notification button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.